Okay, so now we're gonna make Hennycrisp, and I like this one because it's the only cocktail that I make that only really just uses the glass for measuring, because you don't really measure in it. Anyway, um, so first you're gonna want some Hennessy. First you're gonna want some Hennessy, and I should open the fucking. First you're gonna want some Hennessy, and you just pour it into the glass there, as much as your heart desires. That's a lot. And now you're going to want apple juice. And you're going to pour that until the ice starts to float. So the ice starts to float. And then you're going to top it off with some ginger ale. I like to use the extra bold, maybe some ginger beer, but this is what I have. You just pour it vigorously, as you know. Here's a Hennycrisp. Don't even need to stir it. Born Identity. Heavenly.